I have bad news. Ife just sent me a text message. Her car won't start. The battery seems to be dead. She won't be here in time to lead her tour group.
Oh no. Well, I'm leading a tour of the seaport this morning.
Rajiv, you're available. I know you're technically still in training, but I think you can handle it.
The historic warehouse district, right? I'm a little nervous about that.
You did a great job when you shadowed me on that tour last week. You even answered questions from the group.